Hey, Pris, what you doing? How'd you get in there? How'd you get in there?
Question.
But what are you doing? What are you doing in there? That's where the bags go. What are you doing in there? How'd you get in there?
Don't fall, baby girl. Just standing on boxes.
How did you get in there? Priscilla? Who put you in there? Did you get in there by yourself? Show me. Can you get out? Can you get back out? Can you get back out by yourself? What are you going to do now? Well, what are you going to do? What are you going to do now? Can you get out? Do you need some help? 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 Maybe you should call your daddy. Priscilla, maybe you should call your dad for help. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do? Was that bag in your way?